This problem was given to you at the end of the last video, so let's just take a look at it together. Anytime I've got a sum where my terms have two parts connected by either addition or subtraction, I can split it up into two sums. So this will be the sum as j goes from 1 to 1,000 of 4, minus the sum as j goes from 1 to 1,000 of 5j. That's just a constant, so that's already in a form I like. This is a multiple of j. I'm going to just factor out that 5. So we'll have the sum as j goes from 1 to 1,000 of 4 minus 5 times the sum as j goes from 1 to 1,000 of j. All right. This is just adding up a bunch of 4s. 4 plus 4 plus 4, 1,000 times. So that's going to give me 1,000 copies of 4, which is 1,000 times 4. Minus 5 times this sum. Now, if I've got 1,000 numbers in my list, I'm going to have half as many pairs. And each pair is going to add up to the same thing that I get if I add up my initial term, which is 1, because the term matches the index, and my last term, which is 1,000. So that's 1,001. Okay. So let's see, if we work this out, that's going to be 4,000 minus. Now, 1,000 divided by 2 is just 500. Okay. So I'm going to work this out off to the side. We're going to have 5 times 500 times 1,001. That's 2,500 times 1,001. Let's just write that out. So some placeholding zeros here, and then another 2,500. Looks like we're getting 250, 2500. So that's 2,502,500. All right. So we've got 4,000 minus this much, much bigger number. Since I'm subtracting the bigger number, it's going to be negative. Okay. And then to find out the absolute value, I just subtract bigger number minus smaller number. So I'm going to just subtract 4,000 from here. 12 minus 4 would be 8, 9, 4, 2. So we get negative 2,498,500. All right, excellent.